What up, what up, what up? Alright, so today this is my secondary closet, if you will. Just housing what I don't have in the tent. So right now we're going to focus on this plant right here. So, I'm not really sure if this plant right here is having a deficiency, which it doesn't look like it is. I mean, if you look at it, nice and green. But if you look at this, if you look at these tips, they're curling. So, couple things. Okay? So we could be just looking at a mutated plant. The only reason why I say that, it is as old as all of these right here. This one has been cut down. This one was about here. I cut them down to make clones. So, this one has only grown, I would say, it's about 5 inches tall. And it's well over a month old. I mean, you can see these right here. I mean, just look at how big these other plants are. And we'll take a quick peek at the tent to show you the other ones. This plant looks nothing like the other Shiva skunks. Alright, so if you look, everything pretty much has the same grow pattern. Very broad, big leaves. Got a little, some sort of aphid in here. Not really sure how. There's snow all over the ground, but anyways, we'll figure that out. But my main topic is, so you see how everything is very uniform. Everything is pretty much uniform. That one is the only one that looks like that. So this is a Shiva, 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 and this is Durban poison. Now, you might say, oh wow, look at these. The leaves are all kind of different colors and stuff like that. Well, this is new growth. That's why it's green. Old growth already got hit, right? I needed to transplant these. I was slacking in a way because I was waiting for them to show sex. And they didn't. So, unfortunately, I'm now going to have to flip them, wait, and then bring them if one of these turns to be males. But if you look, they're all the same. So, I mean, the only one that I have as a female is right here. That one is already shown. The rest of them have given me Ugatzi. So, all I know is that there are different things that can happen in your tent. So, it's always good to have somebody on your side. East Coast collaborations, that's what we do. We take a look at what you are working on, give you advice. Again, I'm using a new light. I've never used this light before. So there's a whole bunch of factors. I'm using Decine 420, recharge, fortified soil, 5-gallon pots. These things need to be transplanted like you wouldn't believe. So right now they're bouncing out. They're about 4 days after the transplant. This one is just amazing. This one is a really healthy female, and it's looking good. So, all right, stay tuned.